Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University, Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any ideas what it might be? Today, we're going to learn about broccoli. First, do you think broccoli is a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. Broccoli is a vegetable. So, how does it grow? Broccoli grows as a plant, but the part of the plant that we eat is actually the flower part of the plant. Broccoli grows as multiple florets or clusters of flower buds that have not yet opened on stalks or stems. Broccoli does grow in Iowa, but the biggest producer of broccoli in the United States is California, which produces 90% of the broccoli eaten here in the United States. The interesting thing about the broccoli is it's actually available year-round. You may be wondering, why am I wearing a crown? Well, did you know that broccoli is the crown jewel of nutrition, which means it is rich in vitamins, high in fiber, and low in calories. When picking broccoli from the store, you want to look for broccoli that has tight florets. They should also be dark green, purplish, or bluish green in color. The stalks should be very firm. So how are some ways that we can eat broccoli? You can buy broccoli in the store, either fresh or frozen. You can eat the broccoli plain, or you can dip it in a favorite dip, like ranch. Broccoli can be cooked, baked, roasted, or steamed. You can eat it as a side dish with some butter and salt on it, or you can add a little bit of melted cheese. Broccoli can be added to salads, like this broccoli and grape salad. It can be added to stir fries, casserole dishes, like this broccoli rice casserole, soups, like this cheesy broccoli soup, stews, and omelets, or a quiche. Broccoli can also be the topping on a baked potato, pizza, or pasta. You can also buy broccoli as broccoli slaw, which is the stems of the broccoli shredded with some carrots and cabbage. This can be eaten as a salad. Earlier, we talked about broccoli being the crown jewel of nutrition. Broccoli has 7 different vitamins and nutrients in it. Do you think you can name them all? The first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A helps our eyesight or our vision and can help us see at night. The second one is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body in 3 different ways. It helps get rid of the germs in our body, can heal our cuts and bruises, and can help keep our skin healthy. The third one is fiber. Fiber helps our tummy or our digestive system and can help us feel full longer in between meals. The fourth one is potassium. Potassium helps our blood pressure and can help balance the fluids in our body for hydration. The fifth one is calcium. Calcium gives us strong bones and teeth. In fact, broccoli has as much calcium per ounce as a glass of milk. The sixth one is iron. Iron gives us lots of energy and can carry the oxygen in our bodies. The last one is folate. Folate may help lower the risk for heart disease. This week, I encourage you to try some broccoli at home. And remember that broccoli is the crown jewel of nutrition. If you would like to know some more information about broccoli or some recipes to try at home, like the cheesy broccoli soup, check out our newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.